Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we delve into the world of Toyota Tundra accessories and highlight the best running boards for Toyota Tundra. Whether you're seeking enhanced functionality or a stylish upgrade, these running boards are designed to elevate your Tundra's appearance and provide convenient stepping surfaces. Join us as we explore the top options available and help you make an informed choice for your beloved Toyota Tundra. Let's get started. Number 1. Tiger Auto 4-inch running boards are a game-changer for Toyota Tundra owners. These sleek and sturdy additions to your vehicle provide the perfect combination of style and functionality. With a width of 4 inches, they offer ample stepping space and ensure easy access in and out of your truck. The Tiger Auto brand lives up to its reputation by delivering high-quality, durable running boards that can withstand the toughest conditions. Say goodbye to inconvenience and hello to a seamless experience with these eye-catching running boards. Upgrade your Tundra today and enjoy the best in class. Number 2. Oedro 6-inch running boards are a must-have upgrade for any Toyota Tundra owner. These running boards are built to last with high-quality materials that can withstand tough outdoor conditions. With an easy installation process, they fit like a glove and provide a safe stepping surface for both drivers and passengers. The sleek design gives your truck a rugged look that's sure to turn heads. Plus, the added convenience of stepping in and out of your vehicle with ease makes these running boards a game-changer. Upgrade your Toyota Tundra with Oedro 6-inch running boards today. Number 3. Introducing the ultimate upgrade for Toyota Tundra owners. Tac Side Steps running boards redefine style and functionality. Crafted with precision and designed to impress, these running boards are a must-have accessory. With their sleek and rugged appearance, they instantly enhance the overall look of your truck. But it's not just about aesthetics, these running boards provide unmatched convenience. Their sturdy construction ensures a safe and secure step, making vehicle entry and exit a breeze. Engineered for durability and built to last, Tac Side Steps running boards are the perfect fusion of style and practicality. Elevate your Tundra to new heights today. Number 4. GoRhinos running boards are the ultimate game-changers for Toyota Tundra owners. These sleek and sturdy additions provide an unbeatable combination of style and functionality. With their eye-catching design and seamless integration, they instantly elevate the overall look of your truck. Not only do they offer a bold statement, but they also deliver superior convenience with their wide stepping area, making vehicle entry and exit a breeze. Crafted with durability in mind, these running boards are built to withstand any adventure. Upgrade your Toyota Tundra with GoRhinos running boards and experience the perfect blend of form and function. Number 5. Oedro 6 inches running boards are a game-changer for Toyota Tundra owners. These sleek and sturdy car accessories provide the perfect blend of style and functionality. From the moment you step on them, you'll be impressed by their impressive build quality and durability. The wide stepping area ensures maximum stability and safety, while the eye-catching design adds a touch of elegance to your vehicle. Whether you're stepping in or out, these running boards make every entrance and exit a breeze. Upgrade your Tundra with Oedro's exceptional running boards and experience the perfect combination of form and function. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best running boards for your Toyota Tundra, it's crucial to prioritize durability, functionality, and style. After carefully reviewing several options, we have highlighted the top choices that excel in all these aspects. Whether you're looking for a rugged and reliable design or a sleek and sophisticated look, these running boards offer the perfect combination of quality and aesthetics. Upgrade your Tundra's accessibility and appearance with any of these top-notch options. Thanks for watching and happy driving.